Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 14.2 and the first 3 parts. Again you have to factorize using the suitable identity, and in this question the suitable identity is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b multiplied with a minus b, and these all expressions are in this form. And you have to convert this into this form. Now let's start with the first part. This is a square, so this can be written as 2p square minus b square is 3. This is 9q square, so that can be written as 3q square. So I have converted this into a square minus b square, and this is equals to a plus b. So a, instead of a we have written 2p and our b is 3q, so a plus b multiplied with a minus b. So this is how we can solve the first part. Now what should we do in the second one? This is a square, but 63 is not a perfect square number. So first of all, there should be something common. So 63 can be written as 7 multiplied with 9a square, and 112 can be written as 7 multiplied with 16b square. So first of all, take 7 as common. So inside the bracket 9a square, from the first term if 7 is taken out, only 9a square will remain, and if from this if 7 is taken out, only 16b square will remain. Now this expression can be converted using this identity. This is a square, which is 3a square can be written, and b square is 4b whole square. Now we know that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b multiplied with a minus b. So these are the factors of this expression. Now in the last one, again we have to use the same identity, and 49x square can be written as 7x whole square, and this can be written as 6 square. And a square minus b square, we know that is equals to a plus b and a minus b. So these are the factors for the third part, and this is how we are going to solve these parts. Thank you.